Hello, and welcome to Road TRIpVIA, the best daily trivia quiz on YouTube. These 10-minute games each have 20 questions about the category of the day. The question is read aloud, then shown on screen. You'll have 7 seconds to shout out your guess before the answer appears. Come back each day around noon Central Standard Time for a new exciting quiz, and please let us know how many you got correct in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this quiz, please hit the thumbs up button.
Alright, welcome back to Road TRIpVIA. Today is episode 38. It is the Big Lebowski Trivia. Good luck.
Question number 1.
Quoting George H.W. Bush, the dude defiantly stated that this aggression will not what? The answer is stand.
Question number 2.
In the opening scene, the dude wrote a check for the amount of 69 cents. What item did he purchase with it? The answer is half and half cream.
Question number 3.
What item really ties the dude's room together? The answer is the rug.
Question number 4.
What band plays Jesus' theme song, the Spanish cover of Hotel California? The answer is the Gypsy Kings.
Question number 5.
What are the names of the dude's bowling teammates? The answer is Walter Sobchak and Theodore Donny Karabatsis.
Question number 6.
After the dude meets Mr. Lebowski, we meet Mr. Lebowski's wife. What is she doing? The answer is painting her toenails.
Question number 7.
When the dude is thrown into the Big Lebowski's limo, he shouts, "Hey, hey, hey, careful, man," followed by what? There's a beverage here.
Question number 8.
During the league game, who does Walter accuse of going over the line? The answer is Smokey.
Question number 9.
On Saturdays, Walter doesn't work, drive a car, ride in a car, handle money, turn on the oven, or roll because of what Jewish tradition? The answer is Shabbos.
Question number 10.
What is the dude doing when the nihilists break into his apartment? The answer is bathing.
Question 11.
What was in the package that Mr. Lebowski showed the dude in the limo after the botched ransom exchange? The answer is a toe.
Question 12.
What war did Walter constantly talk about? The answer is the Vietnam War.
Question 13.
What was the dude's favorite drink? The answer is a White Russian.
Question 14.
What fast food restaurant does little Larry Sellers live close to? The answer is the In-N-Out Burger.
Question 15.
How much money do the kidnappers want for the return of Bunny Lebowski? The answer is $1 million.
Question 16.
Which character died during the fight with the nihilists? The answer is Donnie Karabatsos.
Question 17.
The narrator tells us at the end that a little dude is on the way. Who will be carrying the baby? The answer is Maud Lebowski.
Question 18.
What drink does the cowboy order from the bar in the bowling alley? The answer is a sarsaparilla.
Question 19.
What profession is Karl Hummus in the movie Log Jammin'? He is the cable repairman.
Question 20.
What are the first names of the two brothers who wrote this movie? Alright, the answer is Joel and Ethan Coen. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching the latest episode of Road TRIpVIA, the once-a-day road trip trivia quiz. Check back tomorrow around noon Central Standard Time for a new quiz with a new category. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.